Hello everyone, Paul Huber once again for Nissan of Cool Springs. Thanks so much for dropping by to check out our video today. I would like to welcome all of my automotive shoppers today. We certainly hope that our video is helpful in the search for your next vehicle. Today we're looking at a pre-owned 2017 Nissan Altima S. It is in like new condition and it's a one-owner vehicle with a clean Carfax. It has just 14,000 miles and it's still under factory warranty. As we look inside, we see an immaculate gray cloth interior with front bucket seats with power driver's seat and plenty of room for 3 passengers in back. Now as we take a look up front, we see that this vehicle is very nicely equipped in the way of convenience items as well. Those features include a very nice audio system with AM, FM, CD, MP3 and auxiliary input, plus it has Bluetooth for use with your cell phone. Other features include power windows, power door locks, power steering, power brakes, plus it has push button start and remote start as well as backup camera. So if you're looking for a great car that's very nicely equipped, we think you just found it. Give us a call today at 615-224-8314 today and we'll set up a time for your test drive. We look forward to seeing you here at Nissan of Cool Springs. After all, we are the home of the lifetime warranty. See you here. Nissan of Cool Springs is proud to announce an easier way to get financing for your next vehicle purchase. Just text the word COOL to 96300 and get pre-approved today.